Okay, so 1306 is putting things a little bit more together. Let's get a slightly different color here. There we go. Okay. Taking all the stuff we've done up till now and putting it together, which, as I say, it's not a long chapter. So we've talked about telling about where objects are. And I'm going to show a picture of the office. And the idea is to figure out where something's hidden. The activity we would do in class is I would tell everybody to pick an object and you decide where it's hidden or where you would keep it. And the other person would go, oh, I need... So they're in that cup on the second shelf above the desk. So you would just come up with some location in the office of where the stuff is and then go back and forth. It gets old really quickly. Now, here's the vocab. We've seen some of it up till now. It's popped up before. But we've got dictionary. Eraser, most of the time I've seen just this for eraser, but the older sign is rubber, or the sign for acron, right? Rubber, erase. Telephone book. Do we even have those anymore? Cup, right? Most of these we know already. Tape, right? Because you... scissors. Sign language, videotape. No, sign language, DVD. Book. Plant. Sometimes you'll see with a P. Plant. Sometimes it helps to give like how big it is, because just it's also the sign for spring, right? So that's why I did the green light. Picture. You could do frame or frame, right? Because so here's you could do that. I suppose it would feel like more like I'm a movie. I produce movies. So anyway, and folder, like files. So here are more videos where they're describing where things are. We'll play a little bit of this one. So she was looking for stamps. You lick it and you stick it on. We used to have to lick them. So lick and then stick it on like the envelope. So stamps. It's kind of like, remember, tape. So these are a lot more well-balanced people. The guys are not quite so whiny and misogynistic. So each of those vocab words will pop up in these. So just take a look at them. It really is a good practice, and we would either do these live in class, or we would just watch the videos. Most of the time, I just show the videos. Oh, we've never seen her before. Who is she? Anyway. A bunch of them. So now the next step in what we're doing, how the book introduces this topic, is now we've said, I need something. Where can I find it? Now let's add a little bit more of why do you need it? The video we just watched. So Okay. So, and it's good to, same as I suppose if you're giving directions around the house, it's always good to repeat because if you got something wrong, they can catch it right there. Otherwise, you're wandering around for an hour. Um, and this branches into narrative practice, where one of the homeworks I would normally give is having you have a dialogue with yourself on, oh, so I asked this person, I needed this, and I wanted to grab something. And they asked, okay, where is it? I gave them directions. They repeated the directions, and then they went off and did it. And they brought it to me. Yay! Um, it's it would take practice in class to do it, um, and I'm just going to trust that you can watch these and figure it out and practice it yourself, um, because it's a really pretty simple skill, and you already have it. You've already done it in class. I've seen it in ASL too. If you were in my class, where we've talked about roommates and needing something, and I've already pulled it out of most of you. Um, I don't know if I did that during COVID. Oh my God, I've thrown everything else off. Anyway, so here's the example of the office. This would be where you hide things around the office or where things just are in the picture. I don't think there's anything. Yeah, you determine where the file folders are. Where's the TV guide? When was the last time you saw a TV guide? Okay. Um, there it is. It's right there. So, again, where in the room would they be? Are these things in your house? How would you find them? How would you give someone directions? And that's really it. Again, it's just this little bit that we expand on of cool.